Hi there guys, and welcome back to Joby RC. This episode we're going to get straight onto the rear end of the Baja, and hopefully we'll get through that and get a rolling chassis out of it. I'm not actually going to put the wheels on, but it will be technically a rolling chassis, so hopefully we'll get through that. In the last video I did promise to announce what we're going to build next, so I will do that at the end. No, I'm not going to do it at the end. I don't want to wait either, so I'm just going to say it's the Axial SCX10. Yep, it's battery operated, it's crawler. I think most people know it. It comes in quite a few shells, so now is your turn to tell me what you want to see as the hop-ups, the add-ons, anything you want to add to it. Let me know. Tell me what the best ideas are. The shell, tell me what shell you want to see, because I don't have an idea for that yet. And as long as I get enough comments on certain parts, I will use those parts on this build. So it's all up to you to see how it looks and what you want to build it like. So just get on the comments, let me know what you want, and I'll get that built. And the first thing I have got the parts. I have got the two axles. So I've got front and rear axles. I've already got those, so I'll show you those in the first episode we do on it, and let you see them. They are an upgraded part, so they are going to look good. Yep. But yeah, I'll show you those in the first episode we do on it. Also, the Baja, I want to know what you think should be added to that. Also, I want to see extras, what you think I didn't add that I should have, anything. So it's all open on that one as well. I mean, it's not going to happen straight away on this episode, but get the comments in, let me know what you want to change, what you think should be better, what you should think should be different, and I will try and get that on there as well and get that built onto that one. I know straight away I do need the shut off for it. I am trying to get a killer B kill switch, so that's going to happen, so don't worry about that one. I am trying to try and get that. But anything else, anything you think needs changing, parts I've already got on there that you think aren't quite good enough, I think there's some, but I'll let you comment on what you think. So let's drag out the rear end stuff and have a look through that, and we'll get on. Okay, here's all the rear parts laid out, ready to go. And we've got, as you've seen before, if you watched the previous videos, we've got the main gearbox, which is a very nice Integy part with the removable rear part. That's ready to go. The rear section there, bulkheads, and I've kept the arms on just because there was no need to take them off. They could just all come off in one go. That's to put together for now, so that's all good. And top plate, brake system, and the rear axles, which I've put the new bearings into, and drive shafts, the one-piece drive shaft with the one boot instead of the two boots. Just got to remember to clean and grease those up as I go. And then all the top pieces, top arms, top towers, and that should be all of it. So I will get on and do this. If you want a guide on how to do this step by step, again, there is a video on YouTube where you just search build Baja build, and it will be the one with all the videos. Okay, so I'll crack on with this. See you on the other side. Okay, so that's the rear end all done. It's pretty much all there. Again, it probably might just need a bit of adjustment once I've got everything in. I had a few problems with it. The rear axles, they did drive shafts. They did need a little bit of persuasion just to get them through into the bearings and into position. I basically just had to sort of lightly tap them with a soft end just to get them to go in. And also, you'll see the tape on there. Just needs that tape on there just because it's the pins that go through. They're held by a screw, but they do come loose. And then if that comes out, the wheel comes off. Not a good thing. But it's all safe and solid now. Didn't put the brakes on there just because I need the engine in to do all that. But that should be it. Okay, so that's the rear end all finished up, all done. Now we have that rolling chassis, and in the next video we'll get to the good stuff and we'll get that engine out and get that into it and finish up the midsection, so fuel tank and the radio box will all go in. I'll start doing the adjustments on the steering, get all that set up, and we're getting close to finishing it and getting it out there and running it. So join us next time, get that almost finished up. So please subscribe, press that bell button for the next video, and we'll see you on the next one.